Garvee just gifted me this camping table that I plan to put to use all the time. Not only for camping, but also for picnics, just sitting at the park, going to gaming events. There are so many times when a folding table is useful, and I'm really hopeful that this is a great table. Now, it comes with a bag, and when you first take it apart, there is something you want to keep in mind, and that is that these extension tubes are going to be hidden inside the top slats. So make sure to take everything apart and you'll find all the pieces. You have the slats, those extension tubes, then some leg extenders if you want the table a little longer, and some extra feet. Now I say extra because the table itself already has some feet on it, and this is the main base, so all you do to start out is expand this all the way. You'll just put two of these extension tubes together and pop them on one side, and do the same on the other side. And they really do just snap right into place. And then the slats have snaps to hook onto those extension tubes. And there's the table at the first level. If I wiggle it on the sides, it's really quite sturdy. If you wiggle in the middle, the slats will wiggle just a little bit because they're not connected at the middle. They're just connected to each other. Now I want to add on those legs. And to do that, I really will just pop off this foot and slide on the leg. They all have these little metal braces to hold them in place. So you want to slide that in first and then pop it on and then put that foot back on. Let me do that to all of them. Now with the extra legs in, it is actually a much more standard table height. So now it's much more useful if you have standard chairs. But the reality is that lower height is much better for so many of those low camping chairs. And this really does give you both options. It is a small table, but just a really nice size. I would say it'd be great as a table for one, maybe two people. If you go past that, you are going to be squeezing, but you can make it work. And in camping, we all know it's about making it work. So that top is really solid. It does have pretty simple plastic elements along the edges, and it is a pretty simple table all around, but it's very lightweight, easy to put together, and it should be easy to take apart as well. My only complaint with taking it apart is I do have to remove these legs each time too, but I'm just going to remove them and keep the feet on them, as I'm pretty confident I'm going to be leaving this as a tall table pretty much all the time. So let me take it apart real quick and see how easy that is. So to put it back away, I think I'm just going to start with the slats, which were super easy to take off. Stick those in the bag. And then the table just needs the extension pieces taken out first. Folds right up. And then I'm going to take off those feet. So from moving forward, I will just put these feet on before I extend the table, as that is so much faster. And the bag is plenty big for all of it. Always nice to see that. Now it's a pretty simple camping table, but again, that is what you're looking for. It's pretty lightweight, packs easily, easy to set up and take down. That's exactly what I want out of a camping table, and I hope this video helps you understand if this Garvee camping table is the right one for you.